1. Bonfire Night commemorates the failed Gunpowder Plot of 1605, where conspirators tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. 2. While the night is named after Guy Fawkes, he wasn't the mastermind. He was the explosives expert and the one found guarding the gunpowder. 3. The very first Bonfire Night was celebrated in 1606, a year after the Gunpowder Plot. 4. The observance of the 5th of November Act was an act of the English Parliament that made a public day about the plot's failure. 5. The traditional "a penny for the guy" stems from collecting money to buy fireworks or make effigies of Guy Fawkes for the bonfire.